I have had this IKEA Ektorp for 8 years. But is it still firm? Let's find out. Hello everyone. It's almost 8 years since I first shared my IKEA Ektorp assembly video. If you have been a long time subscriber, you've actually seen this sofa in the background of dozens of my videos over the years. Back then I paid 22,000. Today the same sofa is nearly double the price. With so many recent reviews claiming the cushions sink and the quality has changed, is it still worth the investment in 2026? Today, I am giving the 8-year truth about cushion firmness, how it has handled cat scratches, and why this is still my favorite spot for an afternoon nap. The biggest complaint I see nowadays is about sinking seat cushions. People say that they lose their shape in months. Honestly, mine have not softened at all. After so many years of daily use, they are as firm as the day I bought them. Well, the secret might be in maintenance and rotation. I make it a point to flip and swap the seat cushions and the back cushions when I wash and change the covers every month. This maintains the firmness of the cushions. Since the seat cushions have stayed so firm, this is still my go to spot for my occasional afternoon naps. It doesn't have that sinking into a hole feeling that some older sofas get. You get that perfect balance of a cozy surface with a sturdy base. If you're someone who likes to lounge or sleep on your sofa like I do, the Ektorp really holds its structure over the years. Now let's talk about the cats. Is the Ektorp cat proof? So though we are not cat owners, two of our apartment cats that we feed visit our home every now and then. And the first thing they do is to use it as a scratching post. But luckily, the thick weave of these covers is a lifesaver. It's very difficult for them to pull threads out, and the texture hides any minor adventures they have with their claws. For pet owners, this fabric is much more durable than thinner alternatives. You can see that even after 8 years, the fabric hasn't thinned out, which brings me to my maintenance routine. I wash and change these covers once a month. Even after multiple washes over the years, the fabric hasn't worn out or lost its color, shape, or texture. The zippers are still intact, and the frame underneath, the engineered wood, is still as sturdy as day one, despite being moved around and sat on every day. No squeaks, no wobbles. The structural integrity is 10 on 10. Many of you asked in my cover change video if they shrink. My pro tip for people who have just one set of covers: machine wash them at 40-degree cycle and put them on back while they are 90% dry. They stretch much better when slightly damp, making the snug fit much easier to manage and giving a brand new look every time. But since I have two sets of covers, when I remove one for wash, I use the other one. The price is nearly doubled since I bought mine for 22K, which is a huge jump. But seeing how well it is held up, no sinking, no frame damages, and how it has survived the cats, I still think it's a good investment and believe that it's one of the most value for money pieces that IKEA offers. You aren't buying a sofa, but you are buying something that actually lasts. I hope this video helps those of you who plan to buy this sofa but are still indecisive about it. If you want to see how this sofa looked when I first got it, go check out my unboxing and assembly video. Do you have an Ektorp? Has yours stayed firm or softened up? Let's chat in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such assembly and IKEA review videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.